Many of us don't even know why we sleep. We just know that after a long, tiring day at work, the one thing we have to look forward to is to come home and dive into a cozy pile of covers and cushions. The fact is that sleep actually benefits us a huge deal. Research has proven that the brain is far from inactive when we're asleep. In fact, quite the opposite. The brain is set to make decisions and process information while we are asleep. Also, healing of the heart vessels is strongly associated with sleep. So in the long run, deficiency of sleep causes problems like heart disease and even low blood pressure. Mostly, sleeping is the main reason why we stay happy, positive and sane. So if you're having trouble sleeping for whatever reason, I'm going to give you some cool tips on how to sleep better. So let's get snoring. Melatonin is a sleep hormone that actually causes and regulates our sleep cycle. So deficiency of this hormone can actually cause insomnia or lack of sleep. What's interesting about this is the fact that we ourselves suppress our levels of melatonin without even realizing this. Blue light is what causes low levels of melatonin, and this light is induced by none other than our favorite nightly devices like our cell phone screens, TV screens, laptops and even tablets. So setting these aside long before you hit the sack is a great idea. Next, don't be too keen on caffeine. And this not only involves coffee but also black teas and energy drinks. This is because the effects of coffee are said to last to up to 12 hours. So that innocent cup you had way in the early hours of the evening is the reason you are tossing and turning at night. A lot of the time, stress, anger and anxiety are some of the main reasons that we can't sleep. So a great exercise to fight these is an inhaling technique. All you have to do is take your right thumb and block your right nostril. This is because breathing through the left nostril is said to relax the entire body and mind. So block the right nostril and slowly breathe in and out from the left. This next one is all about creating the perfect sleep environment. Now this sounds the simplest, and it is, but it's also the most effective. So what needs to happen here is that the room needs to be completely plunged in total darkness. This is because darkness is what induces the production of the sleep hormone known as melatonin. So in order to do that, complete lights off so that the room is completely in darkness. But however, if you're horrendously afraid of the dark like me, then you'll find that a sleep mask works just the same way. So slap this on and pretend like you're brave. So I hope these tips work for you because everyone is entitled to a good night's rest that keeps them happy, positive and energetic. So stay sleepy, but when you're awake, stay tuned and stay glamorous.